I am not recommending or suggesting anybody do any of the stuff that I'm doing. Not changing the oil in an engine for 8 years, not really recommended. Kohler Command Pro, 9.5 horsepower. So I bought this sawmill 2017. It's 2016 model. Anyways, it's at least 8 years old. I've only done the original break-in period oil change on it. So this is 8-year-old oil. And there's the oil. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's clean. It's not even dirty oil. Like that's the dirt. That's like, it's not black. It's got some, it's still translucent. You can still see through the stuff. Like, and that's the oil level. So 8 years, same oil, no oil changes, and that's how good it's looking. And even still, on with a cold startup, put the choke on in one pull. So do what you want with that information, but don't take it as a suggestion or a recommendation, because it's not. I'm just sharing my story. All right? Remember that. Take care.